Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Isha. So we're gonna be making some concealer slime. You'll be needing some like slime from the store, or you can either DIY your own slime. So we're just gonna take out the slime I got from the store. The slime I've got is orange slime, and I mixed it with strawberry slime, and I made it to like almost like a brownish color, like okay. And we're gonna try adding my foundation, my concealer into this um slime, and it's supposed to make like a nice. It's supposed to work, and apparently you can add it to your face, so you can use concealer after, so you don't have to use your concealer. So let's try this out. So I'm just gonna start by just putting a few dabs of concealer into my slime. Let's try that up. So this is a messy product. So just mix that all in. You can start seeing some concealer in there. I don't know if you can see the difference, but there's concealer in there. Then we're going to put some more. I'm just going to put some concealer in there. And you're just going to put some concealer in there. Okay. It's almost starting to look like my concealer that I use. So here is the slime so far. I have no idea if it's working or not. I see some concealer in it, but not a whole lot. So we're going to continue putting concealer in until there is that one amount that we want. I'm just going to put that all in there. I'm hoping that this does work. It's starting to look like my concealer, as you can tell, and I'm hoping it will work on this beautiful face I've got right now. It's always been beautiful, I'm just hoping. Oh, it's starting to smell like my concealer, which is a beautiful scent. So this is what my slime looks like now. It looks like kind of like a foundation of some sort, but it's not. So let's continue with this concealer. We want to have that nice color. We want to have that all over and mix it real good. within the slime. So I'm gonna fold it. Okay. And we're just going to later on we're going to test this out, but just not right now. I'm going to be testing out my concealer slime time today. I'm going to make a video about that just in a few minutes, as our concealer slime looks good, like really good, like really good now, but we're almost there. Just want to see if it works. If this hack works, it's cool as shit. Now, it says that it works, but we're gonna try that out. So we're gonna take my applying brush, the tool to apply it with, and we're gonna dab some in. See, we've got some concealer. I don't know how light we're gonna want this, but anyways. So this is how you make the concealer slime. So I hope everybody would like to try it. So I'm just gonna swipe it on my hand to see if it actually works, to see if this hack works. If not, then it's a fail. Okay, because I read online that it's supposed to work. Well, I do not see any product rubbing off, so I do think this is a fail hack. But it was, and then I think it wasn't a fail DIY, it was just like more like a fail hack. So this is like a DIY hack, and it just failed completely miserably. I think I should put more concealer in, so just try that again. So it has some concealer in there. And it's supposed to work. I'm not too sure. So we've got our concealer foundation. Concealer foundation. Concealer foundation. Our concealer slime, and it's super amazing. So this is what the concealer slime looks like. So it's a nice concealer slime. So apparently you're supposed to swatch it. Oh, damn. Girl, it works as a highlighter, like I'm highlighting my hand. I don't know if you can see the highlight, but you know, here I'll show you on my arm. See, my arms are not that shiny, and look at that, girl. Look, look at the difference. I don't know if you can tell. Probably not, because my light is shiny. Okay, should I show you on my face? I don't see anything, guys, at all. I just see a new color in my foundation. So whoever told me this fucking hack works is a fucking liar. But it gives us a nice color. It gives my slime a nice color though. So, and I love makeup a lot. So I'm pretty bummed. My friend told me, she said, oh, online it says that you can make a concealer slime and it works. You can swatch it on your skin and it works. I tried it, she says. Well, you're a bullshit lighter. She's like, I bought my slime from the store and I added my concealer and it worked. Well, first off, I just tried that. It doesn't work. Please, ladies and gentlemen, do not try this. Like, do not. You can make the slime, but don't try to swatch it because it won't work. See, look. Nothing. I thought it was working, but it was just the light on camera. It may look like it's working on camera, but it's not. It's not showing up whatsoever. Like, look at this hand. It's dark, right? And I swatched this on, and nothing. It may look like it did on camera, but there's nothing there. Like, watch. Just to see this before, I swatch it on. You know what my hand looked like before? Well, I'm swatching it on, right? And that's what it looks like. Nothing. I don't see a difference. And trust me, I would notice a difference, but I don't see no difference at all. Please do not listen to your friends if they say, oh, try this, it's a good DIY. Well, no, it's not. So, like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day, ladies and gentlemen. Love you guys. Bye.